Okay guys, let's have a look at part C, question 1 part C. This part of the question says just to find the total time that the distance took between A and B. Here's our velocity time graph that we had from previous section. And we're also going to use the piece of information now in the question which says the total distance between A and B is 24,000 meters. We're in meters because it was kilometers, but we're working in meters here, aren't we? Meters and seconds. So we have to change that to 24,000 meters. And we've worked out this distance, so total distance then. Well, we can, the area under this graph, as we said in the previous, commented in the previous section, corresponds to the total distance. And we know that equals 24,000, so why don't we just work that out? We've already worked out this area here, it's 900. So total area, yeah, equals total distance, okay? So 900 then is the first triangle, which we worked out from before. The second one is, this is t minus 40 here, isn't it? And then this distance must be, if that's t minus 40 and that part is 60, this will be t minus 100 in length, won't it? So from here to here must be t minus 40 is that distance there, less 60. So t minus 40 less 60, which is t minus 100. The height is 30. So it's 900 plus then t minus 100, wasn't it? Times the height 30. So that's that area. And then we've got this little area here, which we've got this little section here. So it's that distance. So it's going to be a little rectangle plus a triangle, isn't it? So that distance is 40. That height is 15. So it'll be plus 40 times 15 plus half of 40, half the base, times the height, which is, well, that will be 15 again, won't it? So that total distance must equal 24,000 meters, rather. So let's just expand it and write down exactly what we've got then. So we've got 900 plus, now you're going to have 30t minus 3,000 rather. Yeah, 40 15s, 40 10s are 400, 45s are 200, 200 is 600, isn't it? And then half times 40 is 20, 20 15s is 300. And that will equal 24,000. So I think that's everything there. Okay, so can you see this equation now as in t? We'll be able to solve for t, won't we? So we better move everything around. So 30t then will equal 24,000. And now if I add these up and then I can move them across then. Well, what I'll do is I'll move the 3,000 over. But the 900 and 600 and that's 1,800. So it'll be minus 1,800 when I move it over, won't it? So 30t equals 24,000 plus 3,000 is 27,000, 26,000, 25,200. Divide by 30, 25200 over 30. Okay, and 2520 divided by 3, which will go, I think. So let's just do that. 2520 divided by 3, 840. 840 seconds then. And we could divide that, I suppose. We're using seconds as units, so that would be the expected answer, wouldn't it? 840 seconds. It doesn't say in the question to you, it just says find the total time, so it doesn't say in minutes or anything. So that's fine. That's the answer then for part C. And that completes question 1. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Good.